Welcome to The Explainer. Let me ask you something right off the bat. Do you make more money right now than you ever have before, but somehow still feel like you're completely broke? Trust me, you are absolutely not alone here. That heavy, sinking financial anxiety that so many millennials and Gen Z adults are carrying around today, it's very, very real. But what if I told you that your financial situation might actually be a whole lot better than your anxiety is letting you believe? Today, we're going to unpack the psychology, the habits, and the hidden behaviors of wealth to reveal 8 clear signs that you're actually winning with money, even if, honestly, it doesn't feel like it right now. It really all starts with this one simple question. Why do you feel so broke when you might actually be winning? See, there's this massive psychological disconnect today between our inner anxiety and our actual on-paper financial reality. We're constantly bombarded with messages telling us we aren't doing enough, we aren't saving enough, we aren't earning enough. But real wealth, it isn't always about massive bank account balances or flashy over-the-top purchases. Actually, scratch that. It's almost never about that. It's really about human behavior and quiet stability. Okay, let's dive into this first major sign. Check this out. According to Bankrate's 2026 Annual Emergency Savings Report, a staggering 59% of Americans literally cannot cover a $1,000 emergency from their savings. Think about that for a second. We aren't talking about a down payment on a house here, we're talking about just one unexpected surprise expense. So if you've got a little cushion, even just a couple of grand sitting in a savings account right now, you're already beating the vast majority of the country. Take a deep breath and just validate that for yourself. You're doing great. All right, moving right into sign number 1, surviving the unexpected surprises and our emotional reactions to financial emergencies. Now, this is where our first major mindset shift happens, because the earliest signs of true wealth are entirely behavioral. Just imagine this for a second. Your water heater completely dies, or your car blows a tire on the highway tomorrow, and boom, you suddenly need exactly $1,000. What is your immediate emotional reaction? If your very first instinct isn't sheer absolute panic, and you don't instantly have to start doing the mental gymnastics of figuring out which credit card isn't maxed out yet, well, you're exhibiting a major sign of financial winning. You've essentially bought yourself the ultimate luxury, which is peace of mind during a crisis. So let's look at how this crisis management actually builds into your daily life. Right now, roughly 2/3 of Americans live in that high anxiety gap between paychecks. And hey, before you think this is just a low-income issue, nope. 44% of people earning over $100,000 a year are stuck in that exact same paycheck-to-paycheck trap. More income often just means a bigger lifestyle and the exact same anxiety. But if you've built a time buffer, even just a month or two of living expenses, you actually get to make proactive human decisions rather than desperate ones. You stop operating from a constant state of fear. Which brings us to sign number 2, breaking the debt cycle, and how debt really works on the human mind. For most people, debt doesn't just happen all at once. It sneaks in quietly. It's $100 here, $50 there, until it becomes this death by 1,000 cuts that just completely consumes your peace of mind. Compare that agonizing behavioral trap to what lenders call the financially fit club. This basically means keeping your debt-to-income ratio under 36 cents on the dollar. If your monthly debt payments take up less than 36% of your gross monthly income, your habits are structurally sound. You are literally stronger than your debt. And that strength absolutely matters, because the emotional weight of debt in this country is just staggering. In late 2025, total U.S. consumer debt crossed $18.57 trillion. That's trillion with a T. Credit card debt alone hit a record $1.27 trillion, with the average American carrying a balance of about $7,886. So if you aren't playing bill roulette every single month to cover those insane 20% interest rates, and you're keeping your credit utilization low, your habits are already vastly superior to the norm. Let's keep going. Sign number 3, escaping the comparison trap and the psychology of fake wealth. I gotta say, this might be the single most toxic psychological burden we face today, comparing our messy, behind-the-scenes everyday struggles to heavily curated highlight reels online. The entire social media machine is explicitly built to make you feel like you are losing. You see the crazy vacations, the cars, the boats, and it triggers immense anxiety. But the reality? A lot of those people are secretly drowning in debt, relying on a total facade, or they're just the 0.1% who got incredibly lucky. True, real-life stability doesn't always photograph well, right? It looks like a solid emergency fund, peace of mind, and quiet long-term growth. And this brilliantly illustrates why it's time for a massive reality check. $135,600. According to the Federal Reserve's Survey of Consumer Finances, this is the real median net worth for Americans in the 35 to 44 age group. Let's be real, this isn't yacht money. It's not private jet money. It is real money that real people actually have. If you're anywhere near this number, or even just trending toward it, you need to ground yourself in reality and realize you are doing far, far better than the influencers want you to believe. Moving right along to sign number 4, building quiet future wealth through the behavioral habits of the wealthy. Now, these next few signs, they aren't about complex, intimidating math problems. They're simply about quiet, consistent habits. First up is your credit score. Experian's 2025 data shows the average US FICO score is 713. But here's the real secret. A good credit score isn't something you need to obsessively check or stress over every single day. It's merely a byproduct of quiet, consistent habits. If you just pay on time, every time, and keep your utilization under 30%, your score literally takes care of itself. And once you cross that 740 threshold, you seamlessly unlock the best rates for the big things in life, which ends up saving you tens of thousands in the long run. So the absolutely crucial point here is just getting into the game. Did you know only 54% of Americans even have a retirement account? That means nearly half the country is sitting completely on the sidelines, just watching inflation quietly eat away their purchasing power. If you have a 401k or an IRA open right now, even if it's not perfectly optimized, you have taken a massive psychological step forward that puts you ahead of millions of people. And the steps to winning here are super approachable and entirely behavioral. Step 1, capture your full employer match. That is an unbeatable instant return on your money. Step 2, fund your IRA steadily over time. And step 3, just keep it simple and automatic. The real winners in the investing game aren't these stock-picking geniuses glued to the market every day. They're simply the people who don't panic and just stay in the market the longest. But beyond the accounts, there's the habit of growth. The gap between where you are and where you want to be financially is almost always a knowledge gap. Lifelong learning is an absolutely core habit of high net worth individuals. Whether it's reading a book, taking a course, getting a certification, or simply watching an explainer just like this one, continuously upgrading your skills makes you adaptable and highly valuable in a constantly shifting economy. Which brings us to our final point, sign number 5, the true wealth metric and the ultimate psychological sign of winning. As we bring this explainer to a close, I want to shift completely away from the numbers for a second and look at the most profound metric of wealth that exists: time and health. These are the two things that money simply cannot buy. Look, financial stress is literally one of the leading drivers of sleep problems, health issues, and relationship breakdowns in this country. So if your head hits a pillow at night and your brain isn't running a frantic tab of which bills to push and which to pay, if you are genuinely sleeping peacefully at night because you know your family would be okay in a crisis, my friend, you are already incredibly wealthy. It's so true what they say. Comparison really is the thief of joy. You have to validate your own journey and recognize the quiet victories you've already achieved along the way. We gotta stop measuring our real life with all its beautiful, messy complexities against someone else's heavily edited fiction. If you have even a few of the signs we've covered today, you are absolutely building the foundation of a life you actually wanna live. You're doing better than you think for sure, so keep building those quiet, steady habits. I want you to ask yourself tonight, what is one quiet habit you can start tomorrow that your future self will thank you for? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and if you like, please subscribe and follow with like and share.